12th Science Subject Mathematics and Statistics Part 1st Chapter number 4 Pair of Straight Lines. Dear students, we are going to study angle between the lines represented by ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0. The line passing through the origin. Angle between the lines represented by ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0. If we know slope of a line, then we find the angles made by the line with coordinate axis. In equation ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0, if b equal to 0, here is suppose b equal to 0, then this term is 0. Then ax square plus 2hxy equal to 0. Suppose take x common, then we get x into ax plus 2hy equal to 0. Then x equal to 0 and ax plus 2hy equal to 0. X equal to 0 is the line of y-axis. That is, this line represents a y-axis. Using slope of the other line, we can find the angle between them. In the following discussion, we assume that b not equal to 0. That is second case. So that slope of both the lines will be defined. We know that the lines are perpendicular, then their slopes multiplication is minus 1. If m1 and m2 are slopes of the lines, then m1 multiplied by m2, that is product of the slopes, equal to a divided by b. From this line we have already studied. We know that the lines having slope m1 and m2 are perpendicular to each other. If and only if condition of perpendicular lines is their slopes multiplication is 1. Minus 1, that is product of slope is minus 1. From this line, product of slope is a divided by b. Therefore, we get a divided by b equal to minus 1. Taking cross multiplication, a equal to minus b. Minus b take on LHS, therefore a plus b equal to 0. Thus, the lines represented by ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0 are perpendicular to each other if and only if condition is a plus b equal to 0. This is joint equation. These are two lines. If these two lines are perpendicular, we find the condition that is a plus b equal to 0. If the lines are not perpendicular to each other, then acute angle between them can be obtained using the theorem. Theorem. The acute angle theta between the lines represented by ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0 is given by tan theta equal to mod of 2 into root of h square minus ab divided by a plus b. These are two lines. We have to find the angle between them is theta in terms of tan theta. We know that the sum of the slopes and product of the slope of this line. Here is formula of tan theta in terms of slope is mod of m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 multiplied by m2. Using the conditions of sum of the slope and product of the slope, we find tan theta. Proof. Here is, suppose these lines take in first quadrant. Here is Cartesian coordinate, here is first quadrant. The line first passing through the origin is represented by y equal to m1x. Second line passing through the origin y equal to m2x. Their joint equation is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0. We find the angle between these two lines, that is theta. Proof. Let m1 and m2 be the slopes of the lines represented by the equation ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0. These lines, that is combined line or joint line. We know that m1 plus m2, that is sum of the slope, equal to minus 2h divided by b, and product of the slope m1 multiplied by m2 equal to a divided by b. Here is find tan theta. Therefore, we have to find m1 minus m2. Here m1 minus m2 square, write in sum of the slope and product of the slope, that is m1 plus m2 square minus 4 into m1 multiplied by m2. Put the value of m1 plus m2 and m1 multiplied by m2. Then we get m1 minus m2 square equal to minus 2h divided by b bracket square minus 4 into a divided by b. Here is square, take positive. 2a square is 4a square divided by b square minus 4 into a divided by b. Here is subtraction of two terms. Denominator is b square b. Take LCM is b square. Therefore 4h square. Here in multiply by b we get minus 4ab. Take 4 common on numerator we get 4 into in bracket h square minus ab divided by b square. We have to find m1 minus m2 equal to plus minus 2. If we take square root, 4 is a square of 2. Then h square minus ab is a square of root of h square minus ab. B square is a square of b. Hence m1 minus m2 equal to plus minus 2 root of h square minus ab divided by b. Let theta be the acute angle between the lines. We know that tan theta equal to mod of m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 multiplied by m2. We have to find m1 minus m2. That is plus minus 2 root of h square minus ab divided by b. 1 plus. We know that m1 multiplied by m2 is a divided by b. Here is addition of two terms. Suppose take b is LCM, then b plus a divided by b. Here is b and b in numerator and denominator cancel, and we get tan theta equal to mod of 2 root of h square minus ab divided by a plus b. That is the angle between the lines ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0. Remark. Lines represented by ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0 are coincident. That means these both lines are same or parallel. Then we know that slope of the lines are same, that is m1 equal to m2. Suppose m2 take on LHS, then m1 minus m2 equal to 0. From above theorem, we have to find m1 minus m2 equal to 2 root of h square minus ab divided by b equal to 0. Taking cross multiplication, 2 into root of h square minus ab equal to 0. On simplifying, we get h square minus ab equal to 0. Take minus ab on RHS, h square equal to ab. That the lines are coincident or parallel, we get the condition that h square equal to ab. Therefore, lines represented by ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0 are coincident if and only if h square equal to ab. Examples. Example first. Show that the lines represented by 3x square minus 4xy minus 3y square equal to 0 are perpendicular to each other. We have to find the condition of two lines are perpendicular, that is a plus b equal to 0. This is the line passing through the origin, that is standard line is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0. Comparing these, find a and b and prove that the perpendicular condition. Solution. Comparing given equation with ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0, we get coefficient of x square is a, here is coefficient of x square is 3, therefore a equal to 3. xy equal to coefficient of xy is 2h, coefficient of xy is minus 4, 2h equal to minus 4, hence h equal to minus 2. Coefficient of y square is b, coefficient of y square is minus 3, comparing b equal to minus 3. We know that, take a plus b. Put the value of a is 3 and b is minus 3, 3 minus 3 equal to 0. That is the condition of perpendicular line is satisfied, a plus b equal to 0. Therefore, lines represented by 3x square minus 4xy minus 3y square equal to 0 are perpendicular to each other. That the both lines are perpendicular to each other. Second, show that the lines represented by x square plus 4xy plus 4y square equal to 0 are coincident. We know that these two lines are coincident if h square equal to ab. Then comparing with standard equation, find a, h, b and putting this value in conditions, we show that the lines are coincident. Solution. Comparing given equation with ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0. Here is a equal to 1, coefficient of x square. Then 2h equal to 4, coefficient of xy, therefore h equal to 2 and b equal to 4. The condition is h square equal to ab, write as h square minus ab equal to, put h equal to 2, 2 then 2 square minus a is 1 and b is 4. Putting these values, 2 square minus 1 into 4. 2 square is 4 minus 1 into 4 is 4 equal to 0. To satisfy the condition h square minus ab equal to 0, therefore these two lines are coincident. Example 3. Find the acute angle between the lines x square plus xy equal to 0. We know that the formula of acute angle, that is tan theta equal to mod of 2 root of h square minus ab divided by a plus b. Comparing with standard equation, put the values a, h and b and find the acute angle between these two lines. Solution. Comparing equation x square plus xy equal to 0 with ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0. We get a equal to 1, that is coefficient of x square. Coefficient of xy here is 2h, here is 1, 2h equal to 1, therefore h equal to 1 divided by 2. Coefficient of y square is b, here is term of y square is absent, therefore we take b equal to 0. Let theta be the acute angle between them, then tan theta equal to mod of 2 root of h square minus ab divided by a plus b equal to mod of 2 h square, that is 1 by 2 square is 1 by 4 minus a into b, that is 1 into 0 is 0 divided by a plus b, that is 1 plus 0 equal to 1. Here is root of 1 by 4 is square of 1 by 2. Then 2 into 1 by 2, 2 cancel, we get 1. That is tan theta equal to 1. Therefore, theta equal to 45. We know that tan of 45 equal to 1. Therefore, theta take 45 degree in radian pi by 4. Therefore, angle between the lines is theta equal to 45 degree. Example 4. Find the acute angle between the lines represented by x square minus 4xy plus y square equal to 0. Solution. Comparing x square minus 4xy plus y square equal to 0 with ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0. That is coefficient of x square is a equal to 1. Here is coefficient of xy 2h equal to minus 4, therefore h equal to minus 2. Coefficient of y square is b, here is coefficient of y square is 1, therefore b equal to 1. Let theta be the acute angle between them. Then tan theta equal to mod of 2 root of h square minus ab divided by a plus b. Put the value of a, h and b, we get tan theta equal to 2 root of h square. H is minus 2, minus 2 square is 4 minus a into b, 1 into 1 is 1 divided by a plus b, that is 1 plus 1 2, 2 cancel, root of 4 minus 1 is root 3. Therefore, tan theta equal to root 3. We know that the value of tan 60 is root 3. Therefore, theta equal to 60 degree in radian pi divided by 3. Therefore, the angle between these two lines is theta equal to 60 degree. Example 5. Find the acute angle between the lines represented by 3x square plus 2xy minus y square equal to 0. We use the same formula. Solution. Comparing equation 3x square plus 2xy minus y square equal to 0 with ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0, we get here is a equal to 3, 2h equal to 2, therefore h equal to 1 and b equal to minus 1. Let theta be the acute angle between them, then tan theta equal to mod of 2 root of h square minus ab divided by a plus b. Putting the values, we get tan theta equal to 2 root of h square, that is 1 square is 1, here is minus 3 into minus 1 minus 3, minus 3 and this minus plus, we get plus 3 divided by a plus b, that is 3 minus 1 is 2, 2 cancel, root of 1 plus 3 is root 4, root 4 is a square of 2, therefore we get tan theta equal to 2. Hence theta equal to tan inverse of 2. Therefore, the angle between these two lines is theta equal to tan inverse. Example 6. Find the acute angle between the lines represented by 2x square minus 6xy plus y square equal to 0. Find angle between these two lines. We use the same formula. Solution. Comparing equation 2x square minus 6xy plus y square equal to 0 with ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0. Comparing, we get a equal to 2. 2h equal to minus 6, therefore h equal to minus 3. B equal to 1. We know that. Let theta be the acute angle between them. Then tan theta equal to mod of 2 root of h square minus cb divided by a plus b equal to 2 into root of h square, that is minus 3 square is 9, minus a into b, 2 into 1 is 2 divided by a plus b, 2 plus 1 is 3. And 2 root of 9 minus 2 is root 7 divided by 3. Hence tan theta equal to 2 root 7 divided by 3. Therefore we get theta equal to tan inverse 2 root 7 divided by 3. This is the angle between these two lines. Example 7. Find the acute angle between the lines represented by xy plus y square equal to 0. Use again same formula. Comparing equation xy plus y square equal to 0 with ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0, we get. Here a equal to 0. Coefficient of x square is a. Here the term x square is absent, therefore we take its coefficient a equal to 0. Coefficient of xy 2h. Coefficient of xy is 1, therefore 2h equal to 1, hence h equal to 1 divided by 2. Coefficient of y square is b. Coefficient of y square is 1, therefore b equal to 1. Let theta be the acute angle between these two lines. Then tan theta equal to mod of 2 root of h square minus ab divided by a plus b. Putting the values of h, a and b, we get 2 root of h square. H is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 square is 1 by 4 minus a into b. That is 0 into 1 is 0. Therefore we take 0 divided by a plus b. That is 0 plus 1 is 1 equal to. Here is root 1 by 4 is a square of 1 by 2. Then 2 to cancel. We get root 1 means a 1. Therefore tan theta equal to 1. Hence theta equal to 45 degree equal to pi by 4. Therefore the angle between these two lines is theta equal to 45 degree. Thank you.